In the heart of the world's largest archipelago lies a place shaped by fire, water, and time. This is Indonesia, a nation of more than 17,000 islands, where ancient traditions live side by side with breathtaking natural wonders. Here, emerald rice terraces are carved into mountainsides by generations of farmers who honor the land as their home. Mist rises gently from active volcanoes, standing tall as guardians of the islands. And in the deep blue waters, coral reefs burst with life, forming one of the most diverse marine ecosystems on the planet. Across this vast landscape, cultures flourish, each island offering its own language, its own stories, its own way of life. From the temples of Bali to the highlands of Papua, from the bustling streets of Jakarta to the quiet villages surrounded by forest, Indonesia is a tapestry woven with color, beauty, and spirit. Join us as we explore the wonders of this remarkable country, a journey through its nature, its people, and its traditions. This is Indonesia, a world waiting to be discovered. In the highlands of Bedugul stands Ulan Danu Baradan Temple, a serene water temple that appears to float upon Lake Baradan. Built in the 17th century to honor Dewi Danu, the goddess of water, it symbolizes harmony, fertility, and the deep connection between people and nature. Wrapped in morning mist, its tiered shrines and mirrored reflections create a sacred, timeless beauty. Every corner carries a sense of peace, where culture and nature unite in perfect balance. Ulan Danu Baradan is more than a temple, it's a sanctuary of calm and a living testament to Bali's enduring spiritual heritage. Rising from the vast Tengger caldera, Mount Bromo stands as one of Indonesia's most iconic volcanoes, majestic, mysterious, and eternally alive. At dawn, the sky ignites with color, revealing layers of mountains wrapped in drifting mist. The soft rumble from Bromo's crater and the sweeping sea of sand create a landscape unlike anywhere else on Earth. Here, nature speaks in silence and smoke, reminding us of its ancient power. For the Tengger people, Bromo is sacred, a symbol of life, tradition, and devotion. And for every traveler who witnesses its sunrise, Mount Bromo becomes a memory of timeless beauty etched in the soul. In schools across Indonesia, elementary students begin each day with bright smiles and endless curiosity. From rural villages to busy cities, these young learners carry the spirit of the nation, eager to explore, to play, and to discover the world around them. With simple uniforms and big dreams, they walk to school with friends, sharing laughter along the way. Inside the classroom, their voices fill the air with questions, stories, and the joy of learning. Indonesian elementary school children are more than students, they represent hope, resilience, and the future of a diverse and vibrant country. In their hands lies the promise of tomorrow.